Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. Alright, so today we're going to also learn the color black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Look at Miss Hendry dressed up like a black cat. And then look right here at this black paintbrush. So let's look at some things that are black. A bat. Bats are black. Penguins have black on them, black and white. This spider is black. And then this is ink and a quill, and they are black. Things that are black. Can you look around and find some things that are black at your house? I bet you can find some stuff. All right. Drag the X on the objects that are not black. All right. A bat. Did we say that was black? Yes. Good job. All right. What about this penguin? We said he has black on him, right? Yes. Good job. All right. What about this apple? Is this apple black? No. Good. So we're going to cover that up with that X. All right. Then let's look right here. Ink. We said it was black, right? Yes. Now, what about this cat? It's not black. Good. Now, what about this X? Is this X black? Yes, it is. All right, guys, try to look for some things that are black. Bye.